This Cadillac Escalade has a powerful gas 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm x 22.9 cm, 7-spoke alloy with chrome insert/pearl nickel finish, STD. Transmission, 10-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, tow/haul mode and tap-up/tap down shifting, STD. Seats, second row bucket, power configurable, STD. Drive your Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury and Luxury with these packages: Red Passion Tint Coat. Premium Luxury Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, jet black, leather seating surfaces with many perforated inserts, engine, 6.2 liters V8 with active fuel management, spark ignition direct injection, SIDI, and variable valve timing. VVT, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313.2 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 460 pounds-to-foot of torque, 621 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater, Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information display featuring touch response, haptic feedback, gesture recognition, enhanced voice recognition, phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, connected absentee driver. 5 USB ports, including, 1 in the articulating storage door/bin and auxiliary audio port, STD, assist steps, power retractable, running sideboard with LED lighting, wireless charging, located on the top of the center console. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi compatible mobile device. Some phones have built-in wireless charging technology and others require a special adapter/back cover. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see CadillacTotalConnect.ca or consult your carrier. Wipers, front intermittent, rain sense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up/down and rear passengers express down. Wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm by 22.9 cm, 7-spoke alloy with chrome insert/pearl nickel finish, upgradable to RPT, 22x9 split 6-spoke alloy wheels with chrome finish, RVA, 22x9 dual 7-spoke alloy wheels with ultra bright machine/midnight silver finish, SH0, 22x9 12-spoke alloy wheels with polished finish or SMI, 22x9 6-spoke alloy wheels with chrome finish, real, full-size steel spare, 17, 43.2 cm, with black finish. Universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel, programmable. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V93L3 can get you a reliable Escalade today.